In the 2019 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius XM radio, compass, security system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.